Hi guys, welcome back. I'm popping on today because I'm going to work on a Shots of Life kit layout for the scrap room, and I've got all of these great collections to play from. I have Simple Stories Vintage Indigo Garden, I have Simple Stories Full Bloom, I have Echo Park New Day, and Pink Fresh Happy Hearts. So great collections, are all new, super fresh, so beautiful. And what I think I'm going to do is concentrate for now, for the backgrounds of my cards, the bases, on Pink Fresh Happy Hearts Reasons to Smile, which is full of these fresh and springy and gorgeous colors. This back piece is perfect. If I don't need something here, it's perfect to cut out a 4x6 card. And same thing for this Echo Park New Day paper. This one is called 3x4 journaling cards. So, obviously the 3x4 journaling cards, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. But the backside has absolutely perfect cards to do the 4x6s as well. Now, I might go hunt for a piece of cardstock. I use white a lot to bring that in. And once I pick out the bases of my cards, I'm going to print my photos. I went to 2018 in my photos and looked at all kinds of spring ones, and I picked them out, but I just need to know what sizes to print them into. Onto. So I'm going to go ahead and get that. And then, yeah, I'll be back in a minute. So let me cut out my base pieces and I'll be right back. So quick update time. I have my base cards chosen and they're in the right placement. There's no right placement. They're in the placement I decided they're going to be in. And I use my little cheat sheet that you guys have seen before to pop my cards on. Now, I know these are 4x6 squares, but you can put 3x4s. It's fine, not a big deal. Sometimes when I go ahead and do that, I put a little piece of washi to keep them, from sliding together in my page protectors. So we have that. Great. Now, what I did is I made sure to keep any little scraps. Like this is from Simple Stories Vintage Indigo Garden. So I will use this somewhere else to bring that beautiful plaid in. Now, so far, all I've added from outside of the Shots of Life kit is a couple of scrap pieces of, I just found a little bit more of this plaid that I like so much. Yeah, I just used a scrap piece of a textured cardstock. No big deal. Now, I'm also holding on to my extra little pieces of these bits, because you can bring it in there, you can bring it in there, and then you're bringing that color all around. So, not sure if that's where they're going to go, but I'm saying, for example, you can do that. You can punch them, whatever. So, aside from that, I have all of these. Summer doesn't work because I'm using all spring. But I have these great pieces I can layer on as well, which I will be doing. I have this You Are My Sunshine, which I love. I love this little love word. So I have those pieces. And I also have this Pink Fresh sheet of stickers. They're like cardstock stickers. That is going to flesh us out so well. And I also have, oh, but wait, this entire sticker sheet. So I have a lot of fun I can have. The next thing I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to go ahead. I picked out photos. I just wanted to know what size I needed to print them, and I'm going to do that next. Get that placement kind of going. I'll show you what I have when I get to that point. And then I get to do all the decorating, which is my favorite. Okay, I'll be back in a moment. So I have my photos chosen, and I think they're fun and cute, and it's all kinds of things that happen this year. Right now, I've taken away this card, but I might switch it because I really like this with this, because this was my daughter when she was still in college, sending a cute little selfie. So I don't know, we can change, we can move, who knows. All right, so I need to mat a couple of my photos because I printed them on without a border on, because I was trying out all kinds of different collage apps, quite frankly. So I need to do that. And then I'm going to just start working on things card by card, and I'll pop in and out and show you what's going on. So I thought I'd show you. I have only a couple of cards I've started on. I don't know if they're done or not. I used this adorable happy word right here, just popping up for my title. I have this long sticker piece that's right here, so I cut it here. And way over here, you can see the other part of it. This was on one of the cut apart cards, so I just I detail cut out that butterfly and popped it out. I attached this photo right down to this background, just have a Pink Fresh little sticker. And I have a sticker here and here, both from Pink Fresh and Echo Park New Day. I took this piece right here, which is from Pink Fresh, and just added a little staple. So that's all I've done, but I do like to keep you updated as I go. I am just having some fun with this, let me tell you. It's just these colors with all the spring brights make me so happy. I know they're pastels, but they're kind of saturated. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, let's catch up for a moment. So I kept playing along. On this one, I just added a flower onto this flower cluster. Not quite sure how I feel about it still, and I do have a cute little bumblebee. I've got this card here with a strip of this pattern paper that we have here, and a couple of stickers clustered up, and a cute little sticker here that I trimmed off. This card here, I just have a sticker stuck right in the middle. Nice little sentiment. Nothing going on in that card at this time. Now here, this was a great little journaling card. So I just added a bunch of stickers. I've got this rainbow one, a pot of flowers, and a bunch of the birdie bits. Nothing here yet. And this one I have a cute little banner in. And this is another strip of that green paper, a sticker bit, and a picture of my son with a little husky. So, okay. I still have to go. Oh, by the way, I didn't even tell you guys much about these pictures. These pictures were taken at a historical Henry Ford plant, and my baby cousin got married there a few years ago, and these are pictures from that day. What do I have? Here's my youngest with a hedgehog when she was still in high school at volleyball. Here's me with a baby pig at the same volleyball place. People would bring their pets in. This right here is a couple pictures of my favorite restaurant in Dallas, and they do tableside guac. It's amazing. It's called Iron Cactus. And oh, this one is just my hubs and I. He's squinting away because in spring it actually gets a little sunny here, and thank goodness for some light. Okay, those were the pics real quick. I'm going to keep playing along, but I thought I'd show you how it's starting to show up. So I've been working along and having myself a time mixing these collections. So at this point, I'm just trying to see if there's anything else I need to add. I do have some enamel dots. A lot of the colors match. A couple of them are too bright because they're from a little bit more of a saturated collection. Not a big deal. So let's see what we should pop here, there, and everywhere. I love this aqua. It's one of my favorite colors. So let's just get a couple of those on. So pretty much I'm going to go ahead, oopsie, they're coming off. I'm going to use everything but the orange and the red, and it will be fab. Oh, this little one wanted to stay with me. There we go. We've got some enamel dots right there. Probably need to put them on one of these little spreads that are a little bit more plain. So we'll do that. That and another one of these gorgeous aquas. And then what? Let's see. Let's see what we can do here. I mean, as things go, I think they're fab. And this layout is pretty much done, but I do like to use all the goodies if I can. So is that enough with the enamel dots? No. This point, I just wanted to go ahead and take a look at this sticker sheet, which got some use, quite frankly, and see if there's anything I want to add here and there. Let's see. And I know this is partially over my layout, but I'm looking at the left side for a moment. Got those cute little leafy bits that can go right there. Let's see. We'll go like this for now. I love this blue flower, but I kind of used lots and lots of my flowers, which, you know, flowers are my thing. I like them very much. So let's see if we can pop these over here. I do not mind putting them on the photos at all. This is just fun. It's not that serious of a thing. Let's see. Oh, and Blue's taking a nap underneath me, guys. Sorry if he's being loud. So I think that's good on that side. Let's see what we have over here. I had so much fun. I loved this simple little label sticker that was on this Pink Fresh sticker sheet. So easy to add a little something to kind of a plain bit on a page. I do need to add a little something right here. It's a pig. I don't know. A camera with a pig? It's too big. Otherwise, I do really like it, but camera with pig would work. A camera with everything works. So I just need a little something right there, and I think we will be calling, or I like this purple with the yellow. I think at that point we would be calling this layout complete, which I think is awesome. I'm gonna pop a little something there. You'll see it in the still shots. And ooh, I want to put one more little staple right here. It seems like a good spot. There we go. So yeah, I have these little staples kind of here and there for a little metallic something. And that, my friends, will be it. I'll have still shots in just a moment, and I'll have links for the ScrapRoom website, for the blog, and the Facebook group. Okay, bye for now, friends.